Okay, welcome.
Oh, hello.
Hi. You might have to speak up so I can so the mic can catch up with you.
Right.
Sure.
So you're wondering what life patch is all about, right?
Yeah.
Been wanting to know. No, really.
I know. Well, I wanted to ask you, have you noticed changes in my behavior in the last couple of years?
Oh,
Hell
that,
yeah.
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 100%
Has it been for the better or for the worse?
Better.
for the better.
For the better. Thank you. I appreciate that. Before that 2 year mark, I was always trying to improve myself, but it was really hard. I kept uh, sleeping and falling into bad habits
Mm-hmm.
quite easily because I always wanted to change everything at once, and I wanted to eat better, sleep better, be calm, and do exercise and work and be all I want. And that was, I think that was the reason I was failing so much and just relapsing and falling back and falling back. And it took me more effort and consistency to try and get back again after failing. So it just came up to me one day, and I started doing my writing, my gratitude list. I started with 5 simple sentences, and now it's a full sheet where I write everything I'm grateful for every day. Uh-huh. That was step one. Step two came out of thin air too. I read a post somewhere. I don't know if it was true or lie, but it made sense to me, and I started doing it. And it was cleaning the toilet every day. Have you seen me do it?
No.
No?
Sometimes, yeah. I mean, I'm not around much, so.
Yeah, I do it every day for most things.
Yeah.
That's the other thing. Have you seen the whiteboard by the fridge? Have you paid attention to it?
Yes.
It's color coded, and each line of color represents a good habit that I'm keeping up.
Yeah.
A black dot means a bad habit that I am working on it or doing it less and less or less often or less smart. Okay, so before I have the whiteboard, I was doing everything on and out, but you were not aware of it. Because it was only on my cell phone, and I would sometimes forget to click the habits and just sleep my mind.
I remember that. It was on your wallpaper.
Yeah,
And
it
you
was there.
recommended it to me.
It was there. I tried it, but
Yeah.
couldn't keep up with it. So this, I believe it's something that I see every day, whether I want or not,
Mhm.
4, 5, 6 times a day, and it's something that you,
7 times a day?
no, well maybe, it's something that you can see it. So that makes me want to try harder and be better and try every. And also, if I'm feeling lazy one day and I turn and see my streak, I don't feel like it, but I wanna see what line. So that has helped me quite a bit. So all that, the gratitude and the scrubbing
Mhm.
is step one, the life action. Yeah. Step two, I started lining up my. I see it as vices. Some people know them as sins. Have you heard of those? The 7 deadly sins or 7 horrible vices?
Yes.
Yeah. So, can you tell me which they are or which you remember?
I don't know.
No? You?
Envy.
Envy?
Greed? That one?
Yeah, that's another one.
Uh. No. Oh, pride.
Lust, pride. What's the name?
What is that?
It's
Huh?
more. I remember the first now. I remember.
you can see them there. Those are demons that suck up energy. Good one. Yeah. Come on. No? Can't remember? That's gluttony, greed, envy, lust, pride, sloth, and there's one missing.
The angry one.
Huh?
Angry one.
Right.
That.
Angry one. Also
The
known,
red one.
also known as the angry.
Like a fake red one.
Yeah. So once I have those two habits lined up and consistent throughout month after month, I was able to see that I was able to keep good habits if they were stacking little by little. I was good at that because I wasn't changing the whole thing at once. Okay, so after that I started doing exercise, another color on my whiteboard,
Mm-hmm.
and then I was able to keep 3 lines of color every day, sustainable. And I would give myself a weekend off, a day off. You know, if I was feeling really tired, but I have a good streak going on 5, 6 days, I can let go a day. It's good. So after I was sustaining that, I started to see what was holding me back. I wanted to be more active, more eat better, and be a better example for you. Then I would have to tame this beast or tame this uh, Shazam demon. So how how does it work in a video game? Do you go after the toughest villain at first, or do you start going with the small castles and start gathering strength and start gathering tools and start gathering skills, and then you build up that energy, that will force, and you eventually get to the top,
Yeah.
right? And try to defeat that hero.
It's a goal.
Exactly.
Enough for different like worlds.
And it takes time, right? Because you need time to build the ability, to build the skills, and to have the consistency. Because that consistency will show you what you're capable of, right? Whereas what the way I was doing it at first was trying to do everything at once and trying to hold everything without having a real strength or a real routine or even the character to keep up with everything at once. You know what I'm saying?
Mhm.
So, okay, out of these seven, I line up which one is the one I don't struggle that much
And me.
for you is envy. For each person is going to be different. Yeah?
Oh, I thought that like you struggled.
Yeah. I'm saying it's fine that you want to categorize this. Just I'm talking of my process.
No,
So,
yeah. I feel like you don't.
yeah, no, I was. You feel like I don't have envy? I do.
Really?
I do have envy, and I had to look in to see those where I thought that were not really something. And as I started doing my research to build the program, the system, I noticed that I have that. It's hidden. It it can be kind of hiding with another one or teaming up with another one. You know, envy goes with greed. If you want more, so you envy those who have it and who have who have it. So it can be a kind of tricky spot, but it took uh, a lot of research and just getting to know myself to be able to categorize all of them. And then once I did that, I was able to find loops that one scene would drag me to scene number two, to scene number three, and then crash. Yeah, but it was always this was the starting point for that loop. So if I was able to cut this one off, this one was easier to start and the whole loop because I would stop it here.
Mm.
Yeah. So I started building up those habits, those introspections, but that look within week after week. Each week you have to do one of them, depending on which one is the least, and all the way to the one you know you struggle the most. That takes the whole of you, and it's hard for you to pass. It's hard for you to say no and just discard. Yeah. So after I did all of that, and went one by one, just putting them up, keeping my habits, stacking and building that will force, that willpower, that consistency week after week, month after month, I start to see something shift in my life. I start to notice the change. Yeah. And that is another thing that I want to share with you, but that's gonna have to be another. And that one is called life editor. wanted to share LifePatch with you. And that's about it. I'm happy to hear you guys say that you've seen a change in me and that you're happy with the way things have turned
Love,
for you.
love, you need help with anything or anything? Cause anything or anything. Anything.
Think about it. Well, that's it for now. See you in the next time.